Hello, boys and girls. I hope that you're bundled up. I know it's gotten really cold outside, so I'm sure you're inside doing your homework and staying warm. This is your daily math recap, and we will be dividing a unit fraction by a whole number using a model. So the example that I'm going to do today, make sure I'm still in view, is 1/2 divided by 10. Okay. Now, as I spoke about earlier in class today, in order for us to show 1/2, we have to start with a whole. So I'm going to draw my tape, and I'm going to label it 1. Then I'm going to divide it in half and shade in half of the model. This is what I'm starting with. 1/2. Now, it says to divide it amongst 10 people. So I'm going to try to do this in the best way I know how, so I get all my lines in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me stick another one. 9. Ooh, 9. That was kind of crazy, wasn't it? And then I'm looking for this small piece right here, and that would be 1/20. Now, why is it 1/20? Well, we started with a half, so our answer has to be less than half, and we divided that half into 10 pieces, so that would give us 1/20, because we're counting all the pieces in the model. Let me do another one, maybe a little bit more easier to see. Let me do 1/8 divided by 4. Okay? Again, to show 1/8, I have to start with a whole. So let's label this 1. Now I'm going to shade in 1/8. First I have to divide it in eighths. Now, unlike last time, I'm not going to label the bottom. I'm just going to shade in that 1/8 part that we are dividing up. Now, it says I'm going to divide it into 4 pieces. That's a lot easier to see. So, I'm actually saying if I divide 1/8 divided into 4 pieces, how much is each piece worth? Well, that's 1/32. Because if this was a whole pan, I would have 32 pieces, and this would be one of them. But I only have an 1/8, but it's still 1 out of 32. Okay? I'll do one more example. Let's see, 1/5 divided by 3. Okay? Again, I'm going to start with one whole in order to show 1/5. It's kind of like saying I can't give away 1/5 of something unless I had all of it to begin with. So, there's my 5 parts. I'm going to shade in 1/5. Now I'm going to cut it into 3 equal pieces. And I'm asking how much is one of those pieces worth. Well, this is 1 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1/15. And that's been your daily math recap. Again, make sure that you do your homework, and if you have any questions, make sure you bring those to class. Have a great day.